Good morning students, welcome all of you in this online platform. Today in this class of English, I would discuss of writing skill, and in writing skill I would start with short composition, and that is notice writing. Earlier also in the classes and previous classes and class 11 also, you are already acquainted with notice writing, but here in this class I will show you the format, content part, expression, how to present notice writing. So be attentive, okay, and let's start. So notice writing. Short composition, total marks 3, and how that marks is divided, okay, that's also important. The parameters, how you will be assessed, that I will discuss that one also, okay, that how these marks, format, content and expression is divided, that one also I will discuss. So let's start. So before before moving, you should know what is notice writing. What is the purpose of notice writing? You must know. So notice writing is a written or printed information or news announcement. It is a written or printed information or news announcement, correct? Notices are either displayed at prominent places or published in newspapers, magazines. It is meant only for a select group. And you can say that since a notice contains a formal announcement or information, its tone and style is formal and factual also. Language should be simple, and formal notice is always brief and to the point. Do not exceed the word limit. Word limit must be within 50 words. Within. That also matters a lot. And important tips before moving forward that you should follow while writing a notice. That word limit 50 words, write the word notice at the top, name and place of the school organization, office, issuing authority, given appropriate heading, date of issuing the notice, clearly mention the target group, purpose of the notice, okay, mention all the relevant details, date, venue, time, signature, name and designations of the person issuing the notice, that's also very important, and put the whole notice in a box. So these points and definitely are very important and paramount if you proceed, if you attempt a notice. Let's start, okay. If I'll take a question, just go through, okay. If I'll take a question, that question also, that part I would discuss. Let me take one question and then wait. Wait for a minute. Suppose a question that is given in CBSE, All India 2011. You are sports secretary of Lalwani Public School, Udaipur. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words for your school notice board, asking the students, okay, asking the students to give their names for participation in various events to be held on the annual sports day of your school. Invent the details of the events, sign as Lalit, Lalita, All India 2011. That question has been given. So, how to start? Okay, let's see how to begin. First, we will write the name of the institution, okay, organizer, that would better. Let me separate the point. Name of the school, organizer, institution. All these are helping points. You not write all these points in your exam, okay, that you should have a clear idea. So, this is my point first. So, it is clearly given Lalwani Public School, Lalwani Public School. Next is given that you should write capital notice, okay, capital notice, leaving one line gap. This is called notice announcement. Notice announcement, okay. Second one, then leaving one line gap again, that you should write the date, left side. Suppose I am drafting today's notice, no slash like that, full stop, comma will not put, will write that way, clear, that will write the date. And then what we will do, topic is very important. So, what is the topic given here? Asking the students to give their names, participate in various events to held on the annual sports day. So, this is my topic, annual sports day, okay. Annual sports day, this is my topic, annual sports day. Then I will start, this is called intro. So, let me start. all the students are hereby informed. You can write notified. This is to inform you. There are the many ways that you can start. So here what I am showing, so this is another start that you can definitely write in exam. All the students are hereby informed that our school is celebrating its annual sports day on, you should mention a date. So if you are drafting today's notice today, okay, so notice is what, that information about the incident that would happen, that has not happened yet, that will happen. So 5th May, writing 5th May and 05 better, 02, 5th May, okay. Students are continue, students are informed, to give their names for participation in various events to be held on the sports day. Now the details, continue, the details of the event is given below. Better. Now what I will do, I will separate all the details including the day, date, time, venue here, okay. So that would be a better presentation. What I have seen, I have noticed, that would be a better presentation. You can definitely write here also. Events will separate and then you can write the date and date, time, venue. You can continue, you can write. It's absolutely correct. But I will separate the points. First I will start with, I will separate here, better that I will separate and write all the points one by one, okay. So let me take day, date, time, venue, okay, and events. It's important to write events also. You have to specify. I am taking a Friday. May 2021, 9 a.m. onwards. School playground. Events, 100-meter race, and then high jump, number 2, (200-meter) relay race, okay. Like that you can write 3 or 4 events, lots, definitely. So now if you will separate the points, so this is my body part, I have separated and presented separately, and next my conclusion, okay. My conclusion, in conclusion what I will write? For further any information, you can contact the undersigned okay during the right here 0 period. Let me continue. So I am writing here 0 period in the sports room. Clear? Sports room. Next, what? The closing part, your complimentary closing, okay. What is there? That the person who is responsible for the whole program, undersigned person, who is definitely responsible for drafting that notice. So here is given one designation, given a sign as Lalit, Lalita, and what is there? School captain. So that you will get in your question paper. In the questions it will definitely be written the person, that means designator, the designation along with the name. So here is written, so I will write, if it will not there then we will write by yourself, Lalit, then the designation in the first bracket, sports secretary or school captain, whatever it is given here, sports secretary, it's given sports secretary, it's okay. What? That whole notice in a box, From here I will start, my whole notice will be in a box. Okay, I'm closing here, and here I have separated the points, all the points I have separated. You can write here also, you can continue date, time, place all together. Okay. So, this is notice writing, and next I would show the how that 3 marks, total marks 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 for format, 1 for content, and 1 for expression. Okay. Format part also very important for you to know. So, what is format? Format is all about that what you have written, that your declaration, your notice, that announcement of the topic, everything that have you covered or not. Your content means your topic point, is it to the point or not? You should not deviate from the points whatever given in the question. And expression, your grammatical accuracy, language fluency, all these matters. This is called expression. Fluency, okay, fluency 1 given, here is content, here is 1 given, and this is E, this is expression, there here is 1 given. Okay, fluency, content and expression, total 3 marks, total 3 marks. Okay, so this is notice. So the points you should keep in your mind. Okay, the point you should keep in your mind, that's definitely all these are very important for you. The presentation is very important, how you have written the total notice, have you covered all the important points or not, and the conclusion part along with your overall presentation, your closing, complimentary closing part, introduction of the topic, body, whole format, definitely very, very important. So you should keep in your mind while writing the notice, and it is definitely within 50 words. So don't add any other words which are not required. Okay, don't elaborate. It is a short composition. So keep all this in your mind. Okay. So let continue. And check once. This is the notice writing. Any problem, then definitely will contact me. Will share with me. Just note down. These are the helping points. Okay, these are the helping points. This is intro. This is body. This is conclusion. And this is the parameters, how will be assessed through format, content, expression. Okay. You can go through all these here also. Okay. Separated points are there, and the questions, one question is all about excursion. Okay, excursion is there. This is lost something, a different notice that I would show. articles, inviting articles from the students' part, school magazine, organizing a blood donation camp, okay. Here is given draft a notice for your school notice board in not more than 50 words, inviting the students who want to participate in the cultural program, victims of the recent Assam floods, that is given that. Inter-school kabaddi competition organized by the school. Science exhibition. So these all are different typology of the questions and the format and overall presentation that already I have discussed. Okay. Let's one go through and we will practice. I will share the questions, typology of the questions, and you will practice. Any problem then share with me. So let me conclude today's class. Okay. Okay. Bye for today's class.